Bitcoin has slipped around 5% this past month to trade at $112,000, but it's not all bad news. In fact, this dip could pave the way for the next big move in crypto. According to the investment company Institute, over $7 trillion currently sits in U.S. money market funds. These funds earn modest yields, but if the Fed cuts rates, those yields will shrink. That could push investors into risk assets like Bitcoin, which still dominates with a $2.22 trillion market cap. However, more demand for Bitcoin often comes with a familiar problem: network congestion. The Bitcoin blockchain was designed for security and decentralization, not high throughput. That's where Bitcoin Hyper comes in. Bitcoin Hyper is a new Layer 2 solution that has already raised more than $14.7 million in presale. Its goal is simple: make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and DeFi ready. The project is building on a Canonical Bridge and the Solana Virtual Machine to supercharge Bitcoin transactions. Here's how it works. Users will deposit BTC through the bridge, which verifies transactions and mints equivalent tokens on the Layer 2. This enables near-instant settlements while unlocking access to decentralized apps and DeFi opportunities that the base Bitcoin chain cannot support. Currently, Bitcoin has about $7.9 billion locked in DeFi compared to Ethereum's $91.6 billion. But with Bitcoin Hyper's integration of smart contracts and Solana-level speeds, that gap could start closing fast. Transaction fees will also be a major advantage. Bitcoin fees average around 78 cents compared to Ethereum's 55 cents. But the Hyper Layer 2 batches transactions off-chain and processes them at higher throughput, cutting costs significantly, even in busy periods. Right now, Bitcoin can only handle about 12 transactions per second. Ethereum does closer to 21, but with Bitcoin Hyper, that bottleneck could be solved, opening the door for high-speed trading and everyday use cases. The Dollar Hyper token itself comes with clear utility: lower fees on the network, staking rewards at a 75% APY, and governance rights. Plus, 30% of the total supply has been set aside for development, showing long-term commitment to the project. Pre-sales. Bitcoin Hyper's presale is live now at just $0.012885 per token. Its price is scheduled to increase tomorrow and is projected to hit 20 cents this year, which would represent a potential 1,452% return. Investors believe Bitcoin Hyper could be the key to scaling the Bitcoin ecosystem and unlocking the next wave of growth.